Hi everyone, welcome to Excelligen. Today we're going to look at simple psychological tricks that actually work and can help you in various aspects of your life. These tricks are easy to implement and can have a positive impact on your daily routine. Trick 1. The power of visualization. One of the most powerful psychological tricks is visualization. By imagining yourself achieving your goals, you are more likely to make them a reality. Whether it's acing that presentation at work or successfully completing a workout, visualizing the outcome can help increase your motivation and focus. Trick 2. The Zeigarnik Effect. Ever started a task and been unable to finish it only to be consumed by thoughts of it later? This is known as the Zeigarnik Effect, which suggests that our brains have a tendency to remember and prioritize uncompleted tasks. By using this to your advantage, you can start a task and leave it unfinished, creating a natural urge to complete it. Trick 3. The power of mirroring. Mirroring is a powerful way to build rapport and connection with others. By subtly imitating the body language, gestures, and speech patterns of the person you're interacting with, you can create a sense of familiarity and trust. Trick 4. The contrast principle. The contrast principle refers to the way we perceive things in relation to what we've experienced before. By presenting something less favorable before something more favorable, the second item appears even more positive and desirable. This can be used in negotiations, sales, and even personal relationships. Trick 5. The halo effect. The halo effect is a cognitive bias where our overall impression of someone influences how we feel and think about their character. For example, if we find someone physically attractive, we may automatically assume they have other positive qualities. This trick can be utilized to make a strong first impression or improve your likability. So, there you have it. Simple psychological tricks that you can start using today. Remember, these tricks are meant to be used ethically and responsibly, but incorporating them into your daily life can lead to positive outcomes. We hope you found these psychological tricks useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.